This is the Lekan Salami Sports Complex in Adamasingba, Ibadan. Built in 1976, the Adamasingba complex sits on 130,000 square meters of land formerly occupied by the Ibadan Race Course. It is home to one of the most successful and foremost traditional football teams in Nigeria, Shooting Star Sports Club of Ibadan, popularly known as 3SC. The construction of the sporting complex began in 1976 by the David Jembe military administration, but it wasn't until 12 years later in 1988 that it became fully operational. Even at that, the complex was only 60% completed. 44 years since construction and 32 years since inauguration, the stadium has degenerated, with the glory of sports in the state fading away. Respite would, however, come on the 13th of August 2020 when the Executive Governor of Oyo State, Engineer Seyi Makinde, flagged off the remodeling of the sports complex. In a small ceremony held inside the main bowl of the stadium, the governor admitted to being moved by the sorry state of the edifice when he saw firsthand the decaying structures after attending a 3SC game and visiting the players in their dressing room at halftime.
The contractor will use his own money to fund the project, and then we will repay over 29 months.
The project, expected to cost about 5.6 billion naira, will see the expansion of the stadium by 25% from 8,000 to 10,000 capacity, with other existing facilities in the complex receiving a facelift. Unlike previous administrations who have paid lip service to remodeling, 1 month after the inauguration of the remodeling of the edifice, work has begun in earnest. And on the 21st of September 2020, the governor visited the stadium to inspect the project, reporting a steady progress. With the project due to be completed in 12 months, Splash FM took a trip to the complex as well to inspect the level of work done after 1 month.